Okay, so first way that I'm going to show you, you're going to take your fibers and you're going to begin to twist them. So I'm going to twist this side, this direction. So I'm twisting this way to the left, and I'm going to continue to twist that until the line kinks on itself. That's what you're looking for, is just like that. Now we're going to begin our process. So this is the top of our cordage. What I like to do is I take this right hand and I'll twist this again to the left until it's tight. So one spin, and then I put my index finger in, grab this side with my thumb, and I turn both pieces of cordage to the right. Okay? Now I'll take this, again, the right side, spin it to the left, and I turn both of them to the right. To the left, and both to the right. Spin it to the left, and both to the right. Now I'll continue this process down my cordage. And then very quickly you can see we're beginning to have something that resembles modern cordage. Now the second technique is going to yield the same results, but it is just different twist with your hands. So again, I'm going to get my fibers and I'm going to spin them to the right this time. So I'm spinning them away from us. So spin it to the right until we get that to double over, just like that. Now I'm going to take my right hand and I'm going to spin the fibers to the right and then both of them to the left. Spin one fiber to the right, both of them to the left. And then I'm going to continue this process down my cordage. Again, it's yielding the same results. It's just whichever way you're more comfortable. So now you can see very quickly we have cordage. So you get so far down working on your cordage and you run out of fiber material, and this is going to happen quite often because we're dealing with natural materials. So it's time to splice. So to splice is very simple. We decide that we need to add more material. We take a second piece, offset it. You don't want to center it up because we want the splices to run out uneven. And what I mean by that is if we fold this in half, our second piece, when we get down towards the bottom, we're going to run out of both ends at the same time, and that's going to give us a weak link. So we want to offset that ever so slightly. Now of course this is a small piece for demonstration, but you see how that's offset. So we would run out of this side right here a lot sooner than we will this side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cordage that we've already been working on and we're going to just lay that bend right into where we were at. Okay? And then just continue your normal process. So in this piece I was twisting this direction, and you can see how quickly and efficiently now we have a second piece spliced in, and now we have extra length on our natural fibers. So I can just continue this process out, and then very seamlessly we have a splice built in to our cordage.